Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring 1 scoop of Ghost Whey. Follow the label for grams. Next, pour 8 to 12 ounces of cold water or 6 to 8 ounces of milk into your shaker. Once done, add the powder, secure the lid tight, and shake hard for 20 to 30 seconds. You want a smooth emulsion. Shaking releases air and dissolves powder. Make sure to drink within 30 to 60 minutes after training for best recovery benefits. Once your base shake is ready, you can customize it. If you want a thicker texture, blend for 10 to 15 seconds with half a banana or a tablespoon of nut butter. This also adds calories and flavor. For performance, stir in 5 to 10 grams of creatine. Make sure that's on your plan. If you need more protein, use 1.5 to 2 scoops, but track total daily protein. You control taste and macros, tweak gradually to find the right balance. You finish by consuming the shake and then rinsing your shaker right away to prevent residue and smell. Next, store the Ghost Whey in a cool, dry place and keep the lid sealed to protect flavor and potency. Track your daily protein intake to ensure you meet goals without excess calories. If you encounter clumps, add liquid before powder next time, give a vigorous shake, or blend for a smoother result. These simple fixes keep your shakes consistent and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.